Okay, so seventh graders, we are going to do more practice on solving two-step equations. So what does that look like? First here, undo addition or subtraction with the blank operation. Our first step, remember, is undoing addition or subtraction with the fancy term for opposite, remember, is inverse. The inverse operation, the opposite. So the first thing that you want to do is undo any addition or subtraction by doing the opposite. So if you're adding, remember you would subtract. If you're subtracting, you would add. And then the next step is you undo any multiplication or division with the inverse operation. Next, what you do is you undo multiplication or division with the opposite, inverse means opposite, operation. Inverse, opposite. Cool. Then you isolate your variable. And the last thing that you do is you check your answer to make sure that you're right. So let's put this into play right down here. Let's look at this. We have 10k plus, or excuse me, 10 plus 3k equals 22. 10 plus 3k equals 22. And remember, my first step is to undo any addition or subtraction. So I need to identify that. Where's my addition and subtraction? I do have an addition sign here, right? And 3k is being added, but it's not the addition that I want to undo. I want to undo adding this 10. Because remember, we are trying to get the variable by itself. So if I undo that, 22 minus 10 is 12 equals 3k. And now we isolate our variable by undoing any multiplication or division. 3 is being multiplied by k. See, they're right next to each other. They're being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication, division. So we divide. And 12 divided by 3 is 4 equals, bring down your k. And now we check it. So we have 10 plus 3 times 4. Remember, we're plugging our variable in. There's a k right here, so we're going to plug our 4 in right next to the k. Equals 22. 10 plus, what's 3 times 4? 12 equals 22. 10 plus 12, 22. Does 22 equal 22? Yup, looks like our answer, k equals 4, is correct because remember we want both sides of the equal sign equal to each other. Let's look at this one. 19 equals 4p minus 5. The first thing that we need to undo is any addition or subtraction happening. So let's identify, what do we have? We have a subtraction here, right? We're subtracting 5. So to undo subtraction, we add 5, add 5. What's 19 plus 5? It's 24 equals 4p. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 24 divided by 4. Oops. 6 equals p. So let's check it out. Let's see if we're right. Does 19 equal 4 times 6 minus 5? 19 equals 4 times 6 is 24 minus 5. 19 equals 24 minus 5 is 19. Is 19 equal to 19? Yep, we're good. Ooh, let's try this one. This equation reads r divided by 2 equals, or minus 8, excuse me, equals 16. R over 2 minus 8 equals 16. So first we need to undo any addition or subtraction. So I'm going to first add 8. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 equals r divided by 2. So now we want to isolate the variable by undoing any multiplication or division that is happening. Now when you look at this, you need to think about what's happening, 7th graders. R is being divided by 2. If you look at that, R is being divided by 2. And so to undo it, you do the opposite. To undo the opposite of division, you multiply. So now you need to multiply 24 by 2. 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. So now let's check. 48 over 2 minus 8 is it equal to 16. 48 divided by 2 is 2. 4 minus 8 equals 16. Is 24 minus 8 equal to 16? 24 minus 8 is 16, equal to 16. Yep, checks out. Looks like we're good to go. Nice work. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try some more examples here, if it will let me get out of this. It's working very hard, it seems. Well, we'll come back. How's that sound?